I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Hey, I'm back at work today. Hang on, I keep these seat covers on my car just to kind of hope that it kind of keeps the fur down a little bit. And they kind of get twisted when I get inside here. All right, what do we have today? So first off, I brought a vanilla Zevia Cola. I'm going to take a swig of it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm about 75%. I've been messaging our pool league team, and I'm like, I can't go tomorrow night. You know, it's one thing to hide my office when I don't feel good. And then this is my broth, whatever you want to call it. I know it looks gross. Looks like a science experiment. What that is whenever I made my crock-potted ground beef and I pulled out the broth. That's just like some gelatin, I guess, collagen, gelatin, whatever it is. And anyway, so I try to shake it up, but it doesn't break into pieces. But anyway, I've had that much already of broth. Been drinking a bunch of hot water. I've got my antibiotic. Let me just tell you how my brain works. I have one every day. I have one in my little morning pill thing. Then I have this in my lunchbox. So if I don't go to work, it's still at my house. And I have an alarm. I think it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Around 1 or 2, it'll go off and tell me to take one. And then I have another alarm telling me at, I think around 9-ish to take at 1. And I have the thing of them at home. All right, let's see what our cheese today is. I'm kind of sad because, being sickly, I'm not doing a good service to the cheese. It's kind of, I can't taste it as well, but dang well I am, what is this? Oh, cheddar with cracked pepper. Dang well I ain't gonna not eat it. Come on. I like cheese. Cheese is good. I'm gonna put that chunk of cheese down in my stuff. All right, let me find my lid. Let me tell you what I got in here. 170 grams. I ain't tracking. Just know that I ain't tracking. I'm gonna stick that right there. I'm not tracking, but I'm telling y'all. It's 170 grams of ground beef, 15 grams of tallow, and then 1 ounce of cheese. So if I was tracking, that's what I would plug in. So last night's Terri seasoned up the ground beef. I don't know what she seasoned it with. Thankfully, she looks out for me. I forgot my spoon. I have some big spoons in there, but I'm like, you know what? I should learn to be a grown-up and use a regular spoon. Not grown-up, but just learn to eat with a normal spoon. That's for the birds. Anyway, so that's what I'm eating. And that's what I got. So I got my lunchbox here. So I'm going to put my broth, that's the second half of my broth, back in here. I'll drink around on that after, this afternoon. Like I said, I feel about 75%. And, I'm going to make it. What other choice do we have? Only the good die young. What do I know? Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow's Thursday. We have our little work Christmas party. I swear, I'm telling y'all, Suzanne is so stinking creative. She has found so much stuff that we're going to be able to do with our team for Christmas. And I told her, I think the focus this year, I heard other people talk about too, is about more of an experience versus presence, And so we've got an experience that we're going to be doing with our team. But I can't tell you, because just in case I accidentally upload this video, I don't want to ruin nothing. I'll make a pork loin tonight. It's in my freezer. I should have put it in my refrigerator, but I'm just going to let it cook all night. When I like go home, I'll stick it on low, and then hopefully it'll be done by tomorrow. Hopefully I'll remember to do that. I'll set an alarm as soon as we're done. Anyway, so that's what's going on. There's so much fur and dust that floats around in here. I shouldn't be eating in my car, but yeah, you know, it's no different than what's in my house, I'm sure. All right, y'all. Oh, I thought I might have overdosed on Mucinex this morning. I couldn't remember if I took one at work or not, or at home this morning. And my drainage was real thick and stuff, so sorry if you're eating. I'm a nurse. My drainage was real thick, so I was at work and I'm like, I think I'm going to take a new Mucinex. I don't think I took one this morning. So I may have or I may not. But either way, I'm still alive. I did Google it to see if I'm going to die, and it said I won't die. So this video should be uploaded. But that's why now I'm going to go back inside. It's kind of a nice, even keel day. And I like those, especially when I don't feel 100%. So, but I'm hoping that by tomorrow afternoon, maybe Friday, I'll feel a lot better. So anyway, it is what it is, and I love you people, and yeah, I'm gonna go inside now. I could just stop you, lean back, and just take a little cat nap is what I could do, but no. Okay, bye. So tomorrow is our work Christmas party, and I'm bringing a pork loin. It's frozen solid. It's too big to fit down in my crock pot, so it'll probably take 2-3 hours, and then it'll kind of, hopefully it'll relax enough that it can go down in there. But anyway, so I've got this over it. I'm going to kind of pull this up around it just to kind of help hold in some of that heat. You do what you got to do, you know. I'll pull this around it too. I got it seasoned up and everything. So yeah, so just so you know, that's what I'm taking tomorrow. Everybody knows that I bring like that, or I'd be willing to bring some chicken, but they know I'm going to be bringing some kind of a meat. So I know y'all are going to get tired of seeing this food on repeat, and I get it, but this is such comfort food right now. I take one pork steak, and this is how I've been doing it. I take a whole pork steak. I know it's more calories than what my plan says, but right now I'm in survival mode, y'all. And so I will put little salt on it. I'm going to let it go for another couple minutes. And then I'm going to crack about 2 or 3 eggs in there. But so that's what I've been doing, is just cutting the pork steak into bite-sized pieces and letting it cook up. And then I have over here I have a, it's not a creamy, but a keto chow. And I'm not going to microwave it yet, but I'll go on and get it in there. I ends up doing it about 2 minutes and then 2 more minutes. Just for reference, for my pork loin, I use the seasonings I use on everything. Caramelized onion butter, brown butter, roasted garlic, wood fire garlic. This is gonna, and I gotta remember to get out that all shucks roasted corn spice and garlic parmesan. Now, one girl, she's bringing some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, but I'm gonna bring my sugar-free Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, so that way I have that. So I'm gonna take this. This is just for our team Christmas party. So I'm gonna take that. And now I'm not gonna leave it out, but I'll show you what I'm bringing. I thought, okay, there's gonna be so much stuff there. It's gonna be overwhelming. There's gonna be 3 different soups and a potato bar. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff. Well, there's also gonna be like cakes and desserts, and so I thought, and somebody's bringing like some Brussels sprouts, which will be good. But there really isn't a lot of veggies. So I stopped and picked up a veggie tray because I feel like if I'm going to binge, I would like to have veggies. And then I added an extra one of these. So, because we're not eating till noon. So I figure I can nibble on this and then eat this. and have a sweet potato and little bites of the other stuff, but I'm hoping that by bringing this, that will help me keep in control. Is this animal-based? No. But am I, you know, when you go to something, you just want to do the best you can. So that's what I got. I'm going to take the veggies and my sweet baby Ray's, no sugar added stuff. So, all right, it's beet. Hang on. Okay, so what I've been doing, after that gets going a little bit, and I did put some tallow down in there. So after I do that, I go on and crack 2-3 eggs in there. Depends on how hungry I am. So I'm going to do 3 tonight because I'm very hungry. And, oh, dang, I broke the yolk. Well, that's all right. That's okay. That's all right. That's okay. We're going to eat it anyway. All right, now, let me get my hands wiped off here. And this is pretty wild. It's good. I don't have to make up my food for tomorrow. And then I put a splash of water in this. So just a little bloop. And then I just kind of dump that in there. Oh, I cracked another one. I'm going to get some salt on my eggs. And I won't season this up until it's in. I'll show you what I season. So now I set a timer for 2 minutes. And then I'll be back. Peace, man. Peace. Let's do the duck lips. Okay, so then what I've been doing is I take my bowl and I just scoop it right on into my bowl. Let's make sure nothing's stuck. Alright, and I just dump it in. Like I said, we're in survival mode, so we're just eating what we need to eat to survive. So be gentle on me. Be gentle on me. Hey, did I tell you guys, I guess it was, I got the shot, and now I just put some stuff. This is some Kinders. I don't remember what day it was. And I weighed, and I was cracking up. And my weight was 174. I'm like, good golly, Miss Molly. So then I looked up, and that steroid shot I'm on causes you to gain weight. But that's all right. It's all right. I ain't going to cry about it. I want that. Now listen, this is some fancy maple balsamic vinegar. We're going to drizzle a little of this over it. And then some blackberry ginger balsamic vinegar. We're about to get real fancy on y'all. Real fancy. All right. I'll meet you in the other room. I just have to finish heating up our nice hot keto chow. No, that sounds like a little kid. No, I can't be asking her things about medications and do what kind of dogs are the best dogs, and I'll hear that little kid voice and I'll be like, you don't know nothing. You ain't even been through puberty yet. No. I need an old sounding Alexa. I wonder if I could ask her for an old lady voice. Okay, so here's our pork steak and 3 eggs. Man, I got them eggs way too done, but that's all right. You know I'll eat them anyway. All right, let's give it a whirl with the balsamic vinegar. Yep, I like it. All right, y'all. That's all you get. I'm doing better. Tomorrow's going to be even better, but I'll do as much as I can, like with the food and showing you what I can of the food. You know what I mean? I'd be extremely discreet, so it might just be pictures, but we'll see. So, all right. Bye.